What's up, everybody? Another week, another dollar. My name is Jesse Cohen. Today is Sunday, November 8th, 2020, and this is today's Market Bell episode covering the top 5 things to know this week on Wall Street. Let's get it started off with number 1. Democratic nominee Joe Biden was declared as the next president of the United States by the major television networks on Saturday after victory in Pennsylvania put him over the 270 electoral college votes needed to clinch the presidency. However, Donald Trump has so far refused to concede. Republicans have already filed several lawsuits over ballot counting, and Trump said his campaign will file more in the coming days. The potential for lengthy litigation could drag out election proceedings. As such, the week ahead could be filled with more market-moving political headlines, so keep an eye on those developments. On to number 2. On the central bank front, market players will pay close attention to comments from a number of Federal Reserve speakers in the week ahead. With a divided Congress and hopes stemming for further fiscal stimulus, the Fed looks like it's the only game in town once again as hopes grow for more monetary easing in the months ahead. Topping the agenda will be remarks from Fed Chair Jay Powell, who is due to participate in a panel discussion about monetary policy at the ECB Forum on Central Banking on Thursday morning. Besides Powell, there are a few more Fed speakers to watch this week as another wave of stimulus at this point seems inevitable. On to number 3. It's another busy week on the earnings calendar as a variety of companies across several different sectors and industries report their latest financial results. Perhaps the most notable names this week are McDonald's, Walt Disney, and Cisco. Also on the agenda are a number of election night winners, such as sports betting company DraftKings, marijuana names Canopy Growth, Aurora Cannabis, and Tilray, ride-hailing firm Lyft, as well as clean energy provider Plug Power, which I highlighted as my stock of the week in my new Sunday post, so go check that out on Investing.com later on. Results from Beyond Meat, Nikola Motor, and recent IPO Palantir are also expected to draw attention. You can head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. On to number 4 on the data front. Initial jobless claims due on Thursday morning are expected to be the highlight on the economic calendar, particularly after last week's stronger than expected U.S. employment report for October. Analysts on average are expecting 745,000 Americans likely applied for unemployment benefits last week. If confirmed, it would mark the lowest total since the coronavirus pandemic began in mid-March. And finally, number 5, let's stay on the data front. In addition to jobless claims, there are a few more economic reports to watch in the coming week, including inflation data. We get October consumer price inflation figures on Thursday. Producer price inflation numbers then follow on Friday. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. For those tuning in on the podcast, thank you for listening. We're also on Spotify, so go check that out. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.